fan her.
Can you ask, can you go live na lang here sa ano ko? Because namamatay dito. My phone is sira, I think. No, but sina Tita Roviel, Ninang Roviel, all of them had yesterday except mine. No, here, they were here. No, my phone, something is wrong. Hmm?
ID. Remember you live yesterday?
Okay, we can step down first.
It's British.
It's Aoi and I. Hello po, may Palangas and Tradinan. Today, I'm going to cook beef stroganoff for my baby. Okay, stay away from the pan, okay? Stay away from the pan. Sorry, please. Soy sauce. Ano yan? Ano lang to? Toyo.
Dora.
Okay, you put this catchy.
And
Just do it.
beef salt.
Salt, yeah. Go home.
That's beef salt.
Yes.
I want to see the meat so bad.
More good pura. Can you open it up? I have
Oh,
stuff.
there are people watching now. Hello.
Kaya patulong mo.
Hello, my brother.
No. Can you talk first?
Turn what off?
I think turn everything off. Okay, and then show this this. Show what we're doing.
Okay, yes sir.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, put lagay ito yung toyo. And put salt to be, here. And then let's put some pepper. No, out of there, please. I love pepper, so just put pepper.
Mom, you want me to feed my tongue?
No.
burn?
And put some more salt.
But you
That's
want
gonna
me
be
to
salty.
Burn my tongue, Mom. You want me to burn my tongue?
Okay, put the Campbell na. No, just put this.
Oh. It
Now we
really
have to
looks
put
like
this one. More seasoning.
It looks like it's already cooked. It looks like it's already cooked.
It's not cooked, it's raw.
No, it looks cooked.
It looks now.
Where's the heart? I mean, not the heart. Where is the cook?
So, pag mga gusto ng mga 15 minutes or 30 minutes
Yes,
meals,
sir. Yes, sir.
namatay yung kabayo ni Santino.
The horse.
Kaya, he's very sad and he was crying last night.
I buy him
So,
the
let's cook
horse.
him something na he would like.
How would the heart shape like that?
He loves it. But it was no requested this.
Yeah, I requested it. It's
Do you know what that is?
What?
What you're eating?
What?
She calls it steak with gravy.
What?
It's beef
What's that?
stroganoff.
What? Mom, what's this one?
Kaya sa isang malaking bowl yan.
What's that? What's that?
Ibang ano na lang, ibang
What is that?
nga mo na. These are like 15 minutes meals.
No, it's not. It's not true. Believe her. I don't believe her.
Put it here, baby.
Okay, but I'll use my hand.
Noah, out muna. It might make us sick. Para sa ano yan, sa cream of mushroom. It's going to it's gonna
Burn my eyes.
Okay, this time, this 1 liter ka na. When it's the gravy that you're gonna put. When it's the sauce. Babe, can you put, duwell pa?
I can see Papa.
Hello!
Hello.
Sorry po. Bagong gising at hindi ka nakapag-ayos. So, si Yaya Ging, magaling. The best fried chicken, si Yaya Ging ang magawa. Yaya Ging, pakita ka sa pants mo. Dali. Pakita mo na, mula 22 years na si Yaya Ging, pero tignan mo naman, batang-bata pa ang itsura. Saka araw-araw na sa palengke, Yaya, may boylet ka ba? Ay! May boylet yata si Yaya. Sabrina, you allow Yaya to get married? No? No. Si Yaya Ging po, 2 beses na dapat ikasal yan. Di niya kaya iwan si Sabina kasi baby niya talaga. Leave it first para maluto yung niya side anay. You know what, guys? You can already put the Campbell here. Kids! Kids, pabutang na lang sa ilaw. Tapon. Di tapon niya yung plastic na sa kamot. Mga nakapabog.
Mom,
Oh.
what is that yellow thing? I mean,
What mo? Wait. Yeah, parang lakasan natin yung fire.
That's not fire.
Yeah. Noah, please stay away first because that's gonna make calcium.
But outside, that's why.
Okay.
I was playing with my dog.
No, you put this now. Let us play with it.
You want me to put
Kaya.
that? You want?
That's what. And then you put this one. Okay, this is beef cube. Okay, guys, put it there. One. Three family of four. Where's the kutsara?
Daddy.
Dalawang kutsara. Okay, go. Put there. Let's show them. So, medyo matagal-tagal pa kasi marami po tayo. Marami rin tayo. How do you rotate? How do you rotate? How do you rotate? How do you rotate? Rotate.
I don't know. I give it to where I know how. I know how.
What? How?
There, that's how.
There,
Mom,
okay.
you have to put.
Yes, put the other
Can you
one.
see a camera?
So that's
No, you wanna do it
Campbell
together? Yeah.
cream of mushroom.
Wiggly, wiggly out. Wibbly wobbly, wibbly wobbly.
Okay, now we can put this now.
But why that? Oh
Just
my
put it
god. That actually smells good. What is that one? Casey sauce.
Remember, always put just enough, and then
Yes, put
if
those.
you can mix it a bit. Yeah.
I can.
Yay, pangaya ko alkaline water. Ito, dito hanggang half lang. So, here we are. Beef stroganoff.
Mom, you have the best cook in the world. Look how jiggly is in the world.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. So, today's, hindi ako pumasok ng Viva today because gusto ko pong makasalubong si Santino. Kasi late po ako pumapasok ng Viva. Mga 4, 5, ganyan. So, natatapos ko mga 8, ganyan, or 7. And, last night, Santino was crying kasi yung kabayo niya, yung horse na namatay. So, he really loves, Santino loves animals. Meron po siyang pusa, bigay ng Kuya Willie at Ate Ellen ko, na Persian Himalayan or Himalayan?
Japanese cat.
Himalayan.
Japanese cat.
Is it a Japanese cat?
Yeah.
I don't know what breed. Basta, so natatakot ako kasi pag nagkasakit yon or something, baka ma-depress yung anak ko. So, please pray for Santino. Alam ko kabayo lang ho yun para sa inyo. Pero for animal lovers, malaking-malaking
Tito and animal
masakit para
lovers
sa
and
kanila
baby
yun.
lovers.
Yes, I'm baby lovers.
Why?
You're my baby.
You know kid lovers?
I'm kid lovers too. Yay, may bulutangan ka. Mga ako bulutangan para sa luto mo. Para dili sa
How
sa luto.
people lovers?
Rico lovers?
Yeah.
Yes, the RYCB fans are there. Say hello.
They're wondering where I am.
You are your what? Rico lover?
No, I'm a dog lover.
Ha?
I'm a cat lover and a dog lover.
Cat and
I went
dog.
outside to meet Coco and Yuki.
So, medium well lang gagawin natin. Pero paano yung iba
I'll
gusto
go
na?
down to see my best friend.
Ano to, rib eye?
Rib eye?
Rib eye.
That's not a rib eye.
Okay, lipat na na. Lipat na niya. Next batch. Ate Sab. Sorry. Ay, sorry, Aya.
What happened, mommy? Oh my god, it's farting.
Noah, watch your words. That's not nice. Okay, excuse me. Excuse me, Noah.
I'm scared.
I'm not going to hurt you, but you have to stay away. If you don't want to see me dancing with somebody, if you don't want to leave him, don't show up. Don't stop now. Don't stop caring about me now. Walk away. You know how. About the guy who tried to hurt me with the words goodbye. Tell me to survive you. Yeah, I'm open. Yeah, I'm open. Okay. Guys, coffee po tayo. Come see me dancing with somebody. You don't want. Don't go up. Don't stop. Just not caring about me now. Walk away. You know how. Nakita mo nag-ibig sa Santino sa gabi? Ayaw niya nang pumunta ng Japan. Sabi niya, there's no reason for me to go to Japan because my horse. Naawa tuloy ako kay Sid. Alam mo, ang sakit po para sa magulang pag umiyak ang anak, ano?
How do you mean
Na-imagine ko talaga, alam mo, yung teenage days ko, grabe pala siguro pagpapaiyak na inabot ng mga magulang ko sa akin. Kaya, ang blessed ko na yung mga anak ko sobrang... Baby, say excuse me when I'm talking. I'm talking to them first. I'm saying something. What is it that you wanted? I love you more. No, I'm just saying that when your child cries, it's really painful for the mother. And when I was a teenager, I probably made Mama Dai and Pai cry so many times. Because Mama was tigas ulo.
Who's mama?
Me, Mama, not Mama Dai.
I thought mama.
Anong Mama Dai is no? Mama Dai is nice. Somebody to hold.
Can I visit mama?
Oh, stay there, ah.
I miss mama. 0-0 mom. How's done, mom? How's done?
Okay, isa na po ako talaga sa sobrang fan ng K-pop Demon Hunters.
K-pop.
So you wanted medium well lang, no? Yeah, medium well lang. Gusto nila scent, no? Para hindi matigaan, no? Kahit pag yung microwave, matigaan naman na siya.
I can
Kahit na rib eye na siya, matigaan na siya, no?
Can we do it to your idol after that?
Yes.
Okay.
Of course, my lord. What's it feel like every time I let you in? Thank you, yeah. All the secrets that you in. Now you sing.
How is you?
That's Guess you're not the only one.
What are they saying? What are they saying, Pop? What are they saying, Mom?
Jillian and Rosie, Zandra, my Rosie is there. Sandra May, Lilibeth Eden, Jonah Cutie, Nail Reneco, Lucille Chavez Bato Cel. Hi to Miami and my Rosie. I love you both. Yan ang nagpapasaya sa akin araw-araw. Si Yami at saka si Rosie sa video sa pinapadala. Feel like every time I let you in. Now, are you gonna sing for your friends? For your no one yan?
Friends, I don't have friends.
You have fans, diba you said?
Am I the tallest in the class?
You're the tallest in your class. Yes, you're very tall for a 6-year-old.
I have muscles too. I've been working out.
May mga Claudinians ba dyan na taga Malaysia? Hello po sa inyo, shout out. At saka syempre yung Claudinians sa Singapore na nagsa-celebrate ng birthday ko taon-taon. I love you guys. And please stay with me.
Okay.
Kung may mga Claudinians sa Malaysia, please DM me. May kailangan akong tulong sa inyo. Try to sing, but you can know. All the let the past come past you.
Only steak without nothing.
Okay, put soda. What's it? Ice.
Your idol. Your thing.
Can you see for them? Move here. So they can see your face.
Okay. You're there.
So, ayan po. Tapos na. Wag pagka-beef po, dapat mainit na mainit para mabilis lang pag steak ang niluluto. At saka, medium. Kasi pag ininit nyo po sa microwave, titigas po yun. So, dapat yung tama lang. Medium well talaga. Kasi magiging well done yan once nasaan na siya. So, what do you call this? Yes po, Salad Master yung gamit ko. One. Loves your skin. Ay, nayaya. Ako na. Kiss me, baby.
I'll close it.
Can you please say? Move here, they cannot see you.
Oh my God.
Okay, so ito na yung finished product. Yan.
I'll eat that.
Okay, pero ito, lalagyan natin ng
Can I
cream of
give a
mushroom.
taste? Can I taste it? Get a taste, Mom?
Yes, my lovely. No, you have to cook it first a bit. You wanna taste the steak na?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
Can I have a fork?
Of course. No. You want with the gravy na or just steak first?
Steak.
Okay. Gusto daw niya yung mga kung anong platito lang. Kag ano.
What is that?
Maliit na fork kag spoon. Ay, ano pala? Ano niya? Knife pala. Tell niya ito ano. With knife. Init.
I got my fork.
Here. Wait, it's hot. That's hot.
Okay.
Ooh, hot. Here. Wait, it's hot pa nawa ha.
Okay, try. Taste test.
Yeah. Patay man niya siya. Patay siya. Napatay ko siya. Siguro. Yaya Ging, 23 years. Second mommy of Sab. Ayan. Use your hand na, babe. You wash naman.
Yeah.
Mainit. Yan, mainit. Thank you.
Lambot. Soap.
At saka po, pag nagluluto kayo ng may cream or milk, very, very low fire. No, yeah? Low fire kasi mabilis po masunog ang milk at cream. How's the steak?
Ano? Okay?
How is it?
So, good.
Oh, number 9 siya. Masyado. Ano niya? Babaan lang natin. Ayan. Yan. Ang gato. So, ito po ang itsura niya. So, Campbell yan. Tapos lalagyan mo ng water. Okay. Tapos ito po yung steak na ribeye. Ayan na, natalsikan na ako. Yeah, doon ako. Pag din tubig, doon mataas din yung tubig.
Ito yung water.
Ari pa, tama.
Babaan pa? Okay na yung steak.
I love it! I wanna be your slave. I can be the monster. Come on, dance with mama. Oops, it's getting talsik ha.
What's talsik?
Talsik.
Talsik.
What's talsik in English? Oh my God. Alam mo kung talsik sa English?
What does talsik mean?
Ngayon ko isa ka beef cube. Lagyan natin beef cube.
What is,
Oo. Teka.
Mom,
Try it, ano?
what does talsik mean?
No, move first.
What does talsik mean, Mom?
Enough na. No na. Dutay pang tubig. Maano na? Malapot. Malapot yun.
Ayan, 3.
Nagdagan pa?
Hindi, dagdagan ko dutay. Dutay yung tubig. Kay maalat.
Ice coffee.
Yun na inom niya ice coffee ko, yay. Kay favorite niya. Yung yayagin ko, the best gumawa na ice coffee. Pero yung coffee po namin, instant lang. Pero, mas masarap ang instant pa rin. Yeah, tikman mo nga to, yeah. Kung maalat. Hello, Jonah! Ng RYCB. Hi, Jonah! Cutie? Hi, Apple, Christina.
Huwag mo na ibigyan ng...
Jonah, cutie? Cutie.
Huwag na di-cube.
Maalat na. Shadow, no? Putangan pa sa tubig, no? Tubig pa. Asim! Maalat! Nangyari sa'yo, Claudine. Taste buds talaga. Nag-iba. Come on, Noah! Come on, Noah! Okay, when Kuya arrives, we have to be happy, okay? And we have to buy ice cream, Ben and Jerry's or something, so that he'll be very happy. Oh, go run to UP Town and buy ice cream. Kasi kami, pag depressed ka na ice cream lang ang katapat.
Maano naman yung mamaya sa beef? Ang beef mo na matabang.
Matabang ba yung beef? Oh, try mo nga niya.
Ikaw. Sa iyo.
Maalat rin eh.
Ah!
Nga? Tubig ka?
Sa aking pangkang.
Matang ka tubig? May arpa din. May arpa din. Siguro. Ha?
Tama na. Huwag na magdagdag.
Gusto ko inaraman. Aleppo, loves and sense. Found my way. Call the problem child, 'cause I got to well. That's how I'm getting paid. I'm not hiding like I wanna be. Maalat ba panlasa, kuya? Ikaw gani? Come on, Noah. We're going up, up, up into the moment. We're gonna be golden. Gonna be golden. Oh, 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 I'm done hiding Ay, mga butter. Ngayon ko butter. Try mo nga to. Parang maalat pa. Baka pwedeng panlasa ko lang.
Sa ano, yung hindi mo masyado.
Ito maalat yun. Or baka panlasa ko lang. Jutay lang. Ayan lang. 1/4 lang. Ang sarap pa yun. Again po, pag nagluto kayo ng ano, kala mo chef, no? Pag nagluto kayo, kasi ninang ko is Glenda Barreto of Villamare. Kaya, lumakit po ako sa kitchen ng Villamare. Kaya, ang turo niya sa akin is, pagka may cream or gatas, slow fire. Kasi mabilis siyang maluluto. Lagyan natin ng ano, para maging ano, yung ng butter para maano.
Okay.
Perfect na to after. Promise. Pero yung steak okay na. Namit man. Lambot. Kaging ano ko lang na, saging butang ko lang siya sa medium. Kay pagka init, maano naman, matig-ano naman na siya.
Yan lang ang picture na.
Hanggang hindi pa. Guys, manood kayo ng OG Diaz, The Issue. Malaki pong pasabog ko doon. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat po na sumuporta sa akin nung pinagtanggol ko na yung sarili ko. At gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat ho ng kay Claudinians po o hindi. Sa mga nag-comment po 2 nights ago nung nag-live po ako. And I stood for myself. Maraming salamat po dahil yung comments niyo is finally nagsalita na ako. Finally, sarili ko naman yung pinagtanggol ko. Kasi kung hindi ko ipagtatanggol yung sarili ko, wala akong taong magtatanggol sa akin. Sa pamilya ko o sa mga taong mahal ko sa buhay. So, naisip ko na tama yung sinabi ni OG Diaz na lahat pinagtatanggol ko except sarili ko. So, from now on po, pagtatanggol ko ng sarili ko. At ayoko na huma-ospital, ma-depress pa, maikli lang ang buhay, ayoko ikamatay ang sama ng loob. So, kung may sama ng loob ako sa isang tao, gaya sa sinasabi ko, life is so short, kaya ma-I love you akong tao. Hindi ko sinasabi yon out of kaplastikan or anything. Sinasabi ko yon kasi baka pagbukas, mawala ako o mawala ang taong mahal ko. Like si Aida, alam niya na mahal ko siya. Hindi ako nagkulang sa pagsasabi, mahal ko siya. And, like, kahit si Rico, when he died, alam niya na mahal ko siya. So, hindi ko lang siya talaga last na yakap or halikan or ano, pero at least alam niya na binigay ko lahat. So, yun. So, ngayon na-realize ko, opposite naman din ang gagawin ko. Ayoko, hindi ko bibigyan ng oras ang mga tao na gusto manira sa akin. And from now on, I am done proving my worth or explaining. I will not, if you wanna believe me, believe me. If you don't, I respect that. Pero wag po tayo magbastusan. Yun lang ang hinihingi ko. Dahil hindi ako maatras pag ganun. So, yun lang. Thank you po. Wag daw kumanta. Wala daw forever love life. Nako, hindi na po ako naniniwala sa forever. Promise. Siguro sa ano na lang, sa susunod na buhay. Tsaka, iba na, sorry iba na rin ang mga lalaki ngayon. Wala, girls, Kapag ayaw na sa'yo ng lalaki, huwag kayong maghabol. Don't ever beg for love. I'm telling you. Magbigay kayo ng konting pagmamahal sa sarili niyo. Sa lahat po ng mga nakarelasyon ko, iilan lang naman sila. Mark, Rico, Raymart. Never ho ako nag-beg na magstay ang lalaki. Huwag ho kayo magpakababa ng ganyan. Bigyan nyo sila ng 3 days. Iyakan nyo sila ng 3 araw, then enough. Tama na. Huwag na tayong OA. Habang umiiyak tayo, nag-i-enjoy sila at masaya sila. Ano yun? Huwag tayong ganyan. Sumarap na. Pero maalat pa, Yaya. Ging, kailangan kita dito. Maalat, Gid. Ha? Ano na? Base taste buds ko lang. Nag-iba. Subong dahil ang mga. Ngayon na. Naalatan ako. Base pag hinalo na yung meat, ano. Do not ever beg for love. Okay? Kung talagang mahal kayo ng lalaki,
Tama lang.
He will move heaven and earth for you. Okay, pwede na natin ihalo. Okay, sabi ni Yaya Ging, okay na. So, okay na. I think taste buds ko may problema. Putang na natin.
Ay, ano ka?
Dali lang yun. There you go. Si Yaya Ging. Rib ay, there you go.
Mix. Tindahan yan.
Sometimes I'm
I'll get Kuku this.
Oh, okay. Did you guys write letters for Kuku? For
I
something?
didn't.
Oh, black because his horse died. Right? Black balloon. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
We're done. Oh, look.
Yay. Can I only have meat?
No, you like the sauce. That's why I put plenty of sauce because you asked for that. Why are you changing your mind? Don't be like other men, anak. Make up your mind and don't hurt women. Grabe. Grabe. Dinadramahan ko yung anak ko. Don't ever beg for a man's love. Pag binabastos na ka na, goodbye, adios, ciao.
What does that mean?
Ciao means hello and goodbye in Italian. Grazie. Diba? Oh. Lalo na yung sa mga kabataan ngayon, ang babata nyo pa. Marami pa kayong mahanap na lalaki dyan. So, bigyan nyo sila ng 3 days. Hanggang 3 days lang, iiyak nyo na, ikain nyo na, itulog nyo na, or iinom nyo na yan, yung sama ng loob ninyo. Pero tama na yun. Hindi siya worth it. Okay, guys? Girls, no man is worth your tears. Real love doesn't make you cry. It's not supposed to hurt you. Hindi mo totoo yun. Na with love comes, pain. That's not true. Kung mahal ka ng lalaki, He will move heaven and earth para lang na makasama ka. So, para sa RYCB, para naman maging happy kayo. Nung nagsushooting kami ni Robin sa isang island sa Subic, 2 bagyo ho yun. Pero, si Rico, pinakap na yung shooting niya, dumiretso ng Subic, sumakay, kumuha sila ng malaking ship para salubungin ni Robin sa gitna ng dagat. And I remember meron siyang jug, may thermos siya, filled with, what you call this, magaling siya magluto ng, tawag mo dito? Sopas. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yun. Meron siya para sa akin at kay Robin, at siya mismo ang nagluto. So, in other words, ano yun? Nilaban niya yung storm? Ano yun? Tama ba yung word na yun? Basta, ganyan ho ang tunay na pagmamahal. So, pag talagang mahal kayo, kahit saan kayo, pupuntahan kayo. Paglalaban ka na. Pag hindi, adios, diba? Move on. Thank you next. Ayan. So, try na natin. Yayagin! Patry lang.
Ina.
Naaalatan ako? Or baka ano, ako lang.
Bigla siguro yung paglagay mo ng asin kanina. O may tuyo ka, huwag ka na mag-asin. Kahit kunin natin.
No?
Tama yan, kasi pag may kanin, mawala.
Sure ka?
Mm-mm.
Yaya, magpahiya ako kay Santino. Sige, game.
Wait,
I trust you, Yaya. I trust you and I love you.
Okay na, perfect.
Yan.
Masarap naman eh.
No, can you try if it's too, ano, no?
Why?
Can you try it nga if it's too, what you call
I'm a
this?
taste tester.
Yung pili
All
lang
the
ganun ang
time.
asin.
It might be hard.
Ito sarap. Right? It tries.
How's it? Is it too salty?
I didn't.
You didn't taste it? You
I
don't?
did. I did.
Okay, again.
So yummy.
Try. Go. Is it too asin? Is it too alat? Or okay lang? The truth.
Gusto mo mag-add ng ano, creamy?
A little bit salty.
Oh, a little bit salty. Very good. Thank you for your honest opinion. I really appreciate it, San. Okay, may dagdagan tayo ng
I
dagdag
just
tayo.
made a final touch with
Okay. Patsun ko na hindi na. Call the problem child, cause I got to I'm getting paid. I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. We're dreaming higher. Wala. I believe we're going up into the moment.
not a moment.
Together we're going. Voices. What you doing? Baka pumutok yan o. Oo, tama yan. Dagdag Campbell. Look at that.
Ito yung ano, purple cream.
So, Isaac, yung anak mo sa Angelina. Oo nga, no.
Bye-bye, Skibidi
Sa lahat na
Short
nanonood
Time.
ulit ng sa dulo ng walang hanggan, maraming salamat po. Nasa Jeepney channel siya. So, please, continue to watch. Congratulations again kay Carlos Agassi at kay Serena Agassi for getting married. Best wishes, Amir and Serena. Amir, whatever happens, always know that I have your back. Ninong ang unang-unang dumating sa birthday party ni Sabina ay si Carlos Agassi, si Amir. Amir ang tawag namin sa kanya. So, I will never forget that. Yung pagmamahal mo kay Sabina, at saka grabing pagsuspoil niyan kay Sabina. Lahat ng damit, kailangan Burberry, kailangan Dior, ganyan. Hindi ako maka-keep up sa'yo, Amir. Natatandaan ko, he's one of the best na leading man ko na who has a very good soul. Si Carlos Agassi yan. And mahal na mahal ko yan. Paglalaban ko lagi yan. So, yung mga bashers ni Carlos, sana makilala niyo yung totoong Carlos Agassi, yung Amir talaga, dahil napakabuting tao ni Amir. So, congratulations sa inyo ni Sarina, bro. I love you, and I will work with you soon. Bumalik ka na. Bumalik ka na, Amir. Ano na, be? Cream? Cream. Si Yaya na nag-retouch. Kwentuhan na lang daw tayo. Do you miss our work? Opo naman. Kung kayo nga po, may miss nyo eh. Ako rin naman. Nangamoy ba yun? Kasi po, ang totoo niyan, pagka nagluluto po ako, ngayon lang po kasi nag-live ako, naglalagay po ang shower cap, yung panligo, para hindi umangamoy ang buhok ko. Kaya lang, syempre, nakakatawa naman, nagluluto ako, nagla-live ako, tapos naka-shower cap ako. So, shout out po, sino mo yung mga Claudinians na taga Malaysia, please DM me, I really need your help. At kung taga saan po kayo sa Malaysia, may pinapahanap po akong tao sa Malaysia. So, importante kung makausap ko yung tao yun. Claudinian po, rin po yun. So, sa mga Claudinian sa Malaysia, hello! Sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, thank you. Ay! Sino? Jenny Babes, and Rosie, Kylie Nicole, I love you so much. Also, yeah, hindi na siya magkasya.
Siya yan.
Kasya? Ma-overflow man na?
Hindi. Dandahan lang.
Oo nga, no. Yaya talaga. Si Yaya the best. Kahit anong paluto mo sa kanya, kaya niya.
Bagol.
Oy, pero Yaya, alam mo, walang-wala yung chicken joy ng Jollibee sa chicken mo. The best yung chicken ni Yaya Ging. Ay, nako, hindi ko alam. Ano yun na butang mo dito? Yan, namigid ka alam.
Garlic lang ha, chicken.
Secret. O, secret mo anay sabihin sa nila.
At saka yung ano.
Ano, pa-Gcash ka anay sa ila. Ihatag mo number mo, tapos mabalo mo, butang ka mo kwarta sa akong Gcash, ihatag ko sa imo ang ingredients ang specialty ko na fried chicken. Gcash ni Yaya, number 09...
Wag, oy, joke lang yun.
Joke lang. Yaya, dito ka nga. Magpakita ka nga. Ayan, o. Guess niyo kung ilang taon si Yaya. Batang bata, itsura ni Yaya. Healthy living yan eh. Tikman natin.
At ikaw, dapat.
Hugasan mo. Oh, dahil mahal na mahal kita.
See, hindi na masyado. Mama, try it. Hindi na masyado. Okay na, nakuha na. Lagyan pa ng kanin. Hindi katulad kanina talaga.
Aslum pa. Kaya na?
Hindi na.
Noah! Kaya? Sabina! Call. Sige, Adi, ikaw na lang. Adriana! Ano come here? Can you try it if it's salty pa?
Busin ko na lang.
You're living?
Yes.
Why for water?
No, I'm watching it.
Oh, I need to put this back.
Tell me if it's salty, the truth.
Okay. Kind of good.
Kind of good or salty sa? I will
Not
put
salty.
it. Tama. Last name.
For you.
Okay, thank you.
How about let's buy meat and then let's cut the middle and make it a heart shape for cooking.
We'll cut the meat and make it a heart shape for Kuku. Why don't you call your ates to come down here so we can do something for Kuku nice? Do something nice for
I already
Kuku.
did. I got the balloon.
Mommy Laban, po tomorrow sa badminton. Good luck! Good luck sa'yo, Ann. Sana yun, wala
Good luck
agad.
too.
Kylie Nicole, good luck sa badminton!
Mom, that's perfect asio. I want down lang the, just check the pool na, Mom. I was there for the chocolate. Tung, 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 tung.
Ginalo lang ang pakanood kayo.
So, life moves on. Life goes on. Ano kaya ako pwede kong gawin para maging masaya si Santino ngayong araw na to? Aside from magluto, aside from ice cream, ano pa kaya? Para sa mga late na na dumating, namatay po yung kabayo ni Santino. So, sobrang siyang lungkot. Ayaw niya na mag-Japan. Sa October, ayaw niya na parang sobrang iyak siya kagabi. Kay Dr. Nicole at kay Justin. So, yun. And syempre sa Beauty Lounge, the TVL, I love you guys, Sir Carlo. Salvacion Secreto, hello. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you, don't but embarrass me, mother. Okay na?
Okay.
The ceiling fan is so nice. Ito, ba na lang siya ng sub? Pag ano? Ngayon ko na niya. Sub! Kaya, come down here and try this nga. Kayo rin naman ang kakain nito. Anak! Ay, hirap pag-apat ng anak. Kids! Sabi mo, i-try nila. Sama ka dahil. Sama ko sa live. Noah, get Adriana. Gusto niyo makita yung baby ko? Her name is Adriana Beatrice. Hi, Addy. I'm watching that boom boom mama.
Yeah, the baby.
You're the baby. Why you getting chaba chaba?
Like
Why you getting chaba chaba? Say hi.
he never saw the light in his world. And yes, yes, mom.
1, 2, tada!
Say hi.
Ali!
Say hi. He's so adorable.
Okay.
For
Yaya,
real.
lo. Ito si Yaya Jen. Halika na! Ay, suplado si Yaya Jen. Ayaw. Gagalit ang fan. Ako yung mga baby dito. Paano dito?
Come. We'll be viral. Hello, guys. Don't touch my desk.
Maybe can you put
Ow.
Dua Lipa.
Mom, ate subs here.
Ate, can you please try this? If
Okay,
it's too,
sure.
no, I just need you to taste. No, I just need you to let me know if it's, what's this? Too salty. Or it's just my taste buds. My taste buds are weird, no?
Mom, don't worry. Every food you make, it tastes so good.
Tikim lang sa, hindi ka naman kakainin. Tikim lang ng sauce.
Just alat, no?
It is maalat.
Maalat daw, yay. Patay water.
Kaya?
Kaya,
How to taste, Mom?
kaya,
That's not how to taste.
kaya.
How to taste, Mom? Yeah?
Can you try this? Wash this first. If it's
Mom, it's
maalat.
kind of good.
Tell me.
Kailangan mo.
Okay, go.
Ikaw kasi ayaw mo kumain, kaya...
No, it's maalat talaga.
Okay, yeah, lumaalat.
Kasi pag may with
You,
rice...
I already
Is
said
it hot?
that.
No, it's not.
I said nga kanina they put so much salt in. Sino nag-bring?
I think I put too much beef
Kaya
cubes.
ano?
I put beef cubes.
Pag may beef cube ka, huwag ka na mag-sauce.
Amo gani, hindi ko naisip eh.
Para.
It's not that salty.
Ano? Wala, butang na ng tubig.
Yeah,
Change ano lang tayo, change pan. Ah! You don't do that. when you taste, you have to wash right away. You cannot use the same thing.
But you
Because
think it's not salty.
your saliva is
It's
gonna go
salty.
there. So it's
It's
unhygienic.
not that salty.
It's not too salty for you.
It's good.
It's salty for me.
No, for me it's
For
not
ate,
salty.
it's salty.
For me it's not salty. It's
I mean, eat it with
actually-
it.
Oh, this is new? Okay.
No, with the beef. I'll eat it with it. With the beef, with the beef.
Oh, with the beef, with the beef.
I try to sneak my own.
Rib eyes na. Itong big baby ko. Ate, say hello naman. Hachi, say hello.
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 Say alat. Ito.
No, it's better with the beef. It doesn't make it
I
hard.
like
Just a
the-
little bit more. Ay, water na.
What?
Or cream. Jutay na lang yan.
No, if it's with the... No, kasi if it's with the... No.
Yeah, but sometimes kasi you just put the... Minsan kasi, kaya or ano, they eat it with just the sauce with the rice.
Yeah.
So,
The sauce
it might
na,
be
it's not
too-
as- it's salty. But with the beef, it's not that salty.
Okay. Ako, ay,
Dere. Dito ako maglagay ng tubig.
okay. Okay, lipat na tayo. Uy, bakit nag-on?
Hindi, ganyan lang ako maglagay.
Laging patay ko nga. Kaya nag-on na siya. Babe, can you get me ano yung pabango sa hair? Kaya, ask for a Your butt cheeks are clapping. Where did you get that? Dude, what do you want?
I've been here.
What is that? Drink what? Oh, there's no, anak, from Tito Aji. Chocolate cake that's really good.
Hello guys, I'm on the
Decadent chocolate
water.
something.
What will come?
Saan ano?
Hago lang, bye-bye.
Water tag cream. Hindi.
Meron lang water.
Ah, okay.
Minute lang pag
Birds of a feather, we should stick together. Oh no. Ito ang ano ko. Ito yung ate ko. Itong baby kong to. Very responsible. Scholar po siya. She has so many friends. She's very good, responsible. She gives me advice. She never gives me problems. Lord, thank you so much. I must have done something right in my life to have children like you, like Santino, Kaya, no one, Auntie. No? I love you till the day that I die.
Is it done? How long do you leave it there? 1 minute?
Isang baby na lang. Nasa tiyan ko po. Isang baby na lang. Nasa tiyan ko.
Ayun, takman.
Princess Abunala. Sorry. Slow motion na song, ate. O, alam na alam talaga ni Rosie. Okay na po. Okay, did you ask for a spray for the hair so that my hair doesn't stink? Nami na. Okay, Kia. Sabi na, try na. Last try. Last try. But baby, I love it to say that. Kasi ba? How about this? Try it. Noah. Hachi. Sol?
Don't hair.
Okay na, Noah, sa kanya.
Kaya, oo.
Sa akin, okay na.
So, Maria Solita, pumunta ka nga dito.
Habat, Noah.
Sol!
Habat ko, Noah. Habat nga about the test. Okay na? That's okay na.
What about things like I just woke up from a dream.
I'm here to steal mom's food.
I don't know what it
Did you try it na? Did you try it na? Mag-test kayo ulit.
They're being
Kung yan.
Why is it content?
Looks content, but actually a lot.
No, before I come in, I was big.
Because the
Last
lagayan
test
was
na,
good.
last test.
So, what can you do to make Santino happy? Because Santino's ano,
Masarap
oh,
yun.
don't put that back there,
I'm
ha?
not.
I didn't get it.
Yes. Ha?
No, it was.
Solita!
Lambot yan.
Maria Solita!
May rice yan. Okay na?
Gising-gising lang pag may time.
May rice na.
Tikman mo to. Maria Solita! Mama Solita. Maria Solita, tura akay.
If the world is ending, I wanna
Gcash number 0.
Gcash na.
Si Yaya Ging mag-taste. Malambot yung meat.
Lambot yan. Ako
Ito, bye.
Ikaw man. Lambot.
Ito nga, halika dito. Ang arte naman. Si Maria Solita ayaw lumabas. Tingnan mo, oh. So, yung mukha mo bagong gising at ano, isa lang yan. Hindi nagbabago yan. Hindi ko sinasabi in a bad way. Sinasabi ko, hindi ko naiintindihan yung mga tao sinasabi, ba't ang ganda mo pagising mo? Bakit? Nag-iiba ba itsura? Hindi, ito na naman. Sasagot ka ng sagot. Hindi. Ang point ko, pagising mo, ba't nag-iba na ba itsura mo? Diba pareho rin lang? Alat? Alat. Yaya, patay mo na. Okay, what do we do? What do we do? Just for my ka? Yeah? Maalat. Kala ko ako lang eh. Sana, Sol, halika mo yun nga. Sol, sandali. Tignan mo to. Tignan mo to. Halika. Halika, mag-hi ka lang. Tama, pinapahiya ako lagi. Ayan ang, ito talaga. Pinapainit ang ulo ko. Hindi pwede umit ulo ko ngayon. Hindi ko pwede sabihin kung bakit. Hindi ako pwedeng pumastres ngayon. Hindi pwede, hindi ako pwedeng umiyak. Hindi rin ako pwedeng tumawa.
Iyo, ba't mo sinasabi?
Hindi ko pwede rin sabihin kung bakit. Malalaman nyo rin.
Bakit di ka pwede umiyak?
Ay!
Sino dahilan?
Ang layo. Ang layo. Girl! Kung heartbroken ka, bigyan mo ng 3 araw yung lalaki na iyakan. Okay? Magwalwal ka kung gusto mo. Uminom ka. Kumain ka. Magpaka-depress ka. Mag-Netflix ka. Huwag ka pumasok sa trabaho. 3 araw lang. After that, move on. Thank you. Next.
Bakit sa 3 weeks? Yeah.
Bakit ako 3 weeks? Yung, pag namatayin ka ng aso, okay lang kahit 1 year. Huwag mo pina-question kung 3 weeks. Iba ang grief naman, namatayan ako, loka-loka ka. Ano man, 3 days, okay ka na.
Stop fighting in the
Namatay na. Namatay na.
I found the banana logo. Do you know where?
It was.
Ang tagal naman, Sol. Please naman, bilis
I
naman.
told you I didn't stolen.
Kung ano utusan si Sol, 10 million years. Water, yung ano nga, paano mo
Stop
nilalagay yan?
fighting, bro.
Kamukha na ni Noah nag-aaway kami. Ganyan kami magsalita ni Sol eh.
Fighting.
Solita, chop chop! Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Come on, ang laki niyan. Yan, nakapatay, no?
Kaya yung patay, dinadala.
Ano? Gatas na lang.
Pwede.
Oo.
Gatas.
Alas, yeah. Gatas.
Banana milk. Banana milk.
Not banana milk.
How about this? This.
Oh.
Banana milk.
Oh, peanut butter. That's for kare kare.
Mommy, fresh start.
Wait lang. Show them your gift for Kuya, so Kuya will not be sad. Oh, and maybe can you get the cake? Give na lang the cake. Kakain na ba yung cake?
Fresh start. Opo.
Ha? Sino kumain?
Tantino.
Santino? Okay.
I shall press this. Yeah.
Kasi naghibi na siya kagabi. Kaya, hibi siya ng hibi.
Ay, oh.
Ganun sa
Kunti kay Doc, likol ko kay Doc Justin. Hibi siya ng hibi.
Masyadong
Sensitive sa ano siya. Siyempre, namatay kabayo niya eh.
Actually, I feel bad.
Nalala mo dati isda yan, di ba?
Yung isda niya nung namatay, Diyos ko, kala ko magkaka-breakdown yung anak
Yung
ko.
imported na isda.
Oo, axolotl with.
Oo, yun. Talagang ano siya.
I'm working.
Masyado siya.
Well, after my work, yeah.
Okay. It's very good, Mom. There's plenty stuff.
Yeah,
You cannot
ma, di work out alkalay natin.
Alpani.
Where you going?
Yeah, ayaw sa alkaline. Ayaw, ayaw.
Yan na po. Huwag mo na dagdagan ng tubig, milk na.
Hindi. Para sa akin to.
Opo.
This is for me, Yaya.
Okay.
Mom.
Look at me, son.
You're my number one. Mommy, like that, Mom.
Yan,
Perfect na to. Sarap. Para siyang ano.
Slow motion na song. Yes, Rosie, whatever you say.
Okay.
Dapat ito anthem niyo. Too good to say goodbye.
Tikman mo na. Okay na yun. Tugasan ko kutsara.
Ay, itapon mo yung tubig ko? Ay, pala. Happy mistake. Ay, hindi pala ito yun. Apata. Pakita mo sino? Adi. Mabilis lang. Kaya yun. Dali, pakita mo doon.
Asin.
Pakita mo bilis yan. Kung pakita mo ka mo, ayaw mo, dali. Ikaw siya lang.
Dito.
Ayun o. Cover mo mukha mo. Yaya, kung ayaw mo. Ay, cover mo mukha mo.
Hello.
Say hello.
Yes, baby.
Don't you want me like I want you, Adi? Don't you need me like mama
Okay na.
needs you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight you go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the apata. Big cheeks. Ay, nahulog yung ano niya. Pacifier, hugasan ko. Turn this apata into a club. Come on, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't be... Yeah, hindi mo spray sa buhok. Para pampabango ng hair. All you gotta do is just meet me at the...
Yak ko na.
Kaya,
Pag ko na.
patry na, oh.
Lambot na yung karne.
Kaya, pata. Can you try it? Get spoons.
Ay, magasa ko. Dito yung ano.
Yaya din.
Ito.
Small lang.
Tikman mo na, Sol.
Hindi, dyan ka mag-scoop. Ay, sorry. Sabi ko, dyan ka mag-scoop. Ayan.
Sleep tomorrow, but tonight.
Ayan.
Where's Ate Sab? Sab! put the one I did for Daily sa stories ko. Sorry, pag ang nanay ko hindi talaga techie, kailangan tulong ng mga anak.
Mommy, good.
For my other daughter, Daily, Espejo,
Okay na?
Espeso pala. How's it?
Hindi na siya.
Oh, show, Adi. Show, Adi, kaya. Kaya, do it yan. Tingnan mo. Ah, show her. Show Adi face. Don't put her near the fan. This is Adriana Beatriz. Beatriz, love your sister.
Where are you looking at?
Wait, ito sa one sa slow motion. Ayaw. Hindi ko maayos yung slow motion, sorry. Kaya, help mama. Help me. Ano ka, mami? Sabrina na lang tayo. Pink carpenter. Kaya, why ko ano din? Hindi ko mahanap yung takip. Kasi may maano. Sa soft drinks ako. Tonight.